To start any exercise in all fours, gently kneel down. If your knees are sensitive, just fold your mat over to cushion your knees a little bit, but you can use a folded towel or even a pillow underneath them. Relax your feet down, keeping your knees underneath your hips, hip distance apart. And then move your hands slightly further forward than your shoulders, roughly shoulder distance apart. Elongate your entire spine and look in between your hands, keeping your face parallel to the ground. Hold that position and then release your shoulders away from your ears, keeping the neck nice and long. From this position, engage your core and start a gentle isolational movement only from your lumbar spine, tilting your pelvis underneath and release slowly into neutral. Tuck your pelvis under, rolling the tailbone down towards the ground, and then release back into neutral. Repeat a few more times. As you exhale, you can hold for an inhalation and release as you exhale again. Inhale to hold, exhale to roll and round underneath. Hold your back nice and straight and then release back into neutral. Let's practice one more of this little tilt of your pelvis, keeping the mid and upper back nice and straight, and then release back into neutral, elongating your entire spine. Then move up to your mid back and then gently push yourself up and away from the ground, keeping your arms straight. Imagine you have a small candlelight underneath your chest bone and then sink your chest bone down towards that little fire, sinking in between your shoulders, and then push yourself up and away from the ground. Lower down. Keep your arms straight, moving only from your shoulders, shoulder blades. Lower down. Keep your lumbar spine straight. Push up. And then one more time. Push back up and hold that nice elongated position. If you enjoyed this class, please like and share this video with others and subscribe to our channel for more workouts like this. We would love to hear about your experience too, so please leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Your feedback means a lot to us. Have a lovely day.